Duond buche mag siasa ma pacho ka koro dhi chuno mondo med rito kuom thuolo ma ok ong'ere eka giyudo omenda masirogi kaluwore kod nok mar omenda e pacho ka. Kaluwore gi jandik duond buche mag siasa, migawo mar omenda nogolo mana bath omenda e tielo mokwongo ka gideko chwalo mamoko. Deko machwalo omenda no ne duond buche osekelo wich bar ne duond buche ma pacho ka, ahinya to ne duond bura mar ODM mowinjo bed ni timo yiero madundo e gwenge moko e dwe mabiro. Kata kamano, jakom duol no John Cox onyiso duond buche mondo mi omany yore mamoko mag yudo omenda ka girito mago ma migawo mar omenda biro chwalo negi.
The fund is a structured fund. As we all know, it is guarded by the Act, and also has provisions for how the fund is distributed. So every party that qualifies to get funding, I think it is within our practice that we always do that. Of course, we receive the fund just from Treasury like any other organ. And so for as much as the money has been given to us, we actually distributed according to the structure that has been given. I think we already did for the first quarter, and we're still waiting, of course, for the next funding. Of course, I know resources is a big challenge for the parties in terms of how to operate, but it's a challenge that we must face because in order to grow multi-party democracy, it has to cost something to us. So as much as the fund is there for all the parties to take a step and see how they can be able to facilitate themselves to ensure that they have functional systems within the provisions of their constitution, which they have done for themselves. We need to have the parties, as many as they can prove to be able to run themselves, of course, because that's why we register and regulate, because we register them to say they are qualified, but we also regulate to make sure that they comply every time as political parties which qualify to be given opportunity to participate in our democratic systems.
It's really a big challenge because as a party we are not receiving money from the exchequer. We are one of the parties that are unfunded political parties. So then this becomes a challenge because